In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Instacart app. Open Instacart app like this. After downloading it from Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone, right now go and click on login. So choose how you want to log in. For me, I want to log in with my Google account. So I will click and then I will wait and choose my account that I want to sign in or log in with. I will just choose this one, and next I will wait and I will add my name and my email. If you want to send like an invitation, for us we want to to skip, just click skip here. And right now you have to add your zip code. For example, this one. And here you have to choose a store. For example, this one. And you should wait. Click no thanks. And that's all, guys. You have an account on your app Instacart. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.